Hello, everyone.
Hey, Jackie. Hey, Carlos, I'm trying to invite you. Oh, here we are. Let's see if I did it right. I'm trying to invite Carlos. Let's see if that will work. Hey, the barbershop duet. How are you doing? Hey, Paul. Good to see you. Hey, Carlos, is it working? I sent you an invite. It tells me that you're unable to join. All right.
There you go. It's
Hey,
working now.
now
Hey,
it works. Hey.
brother. Yeah, I sent a request. So when I sent the request, I think it canceled yours sending me one. So I
Oh,
left
all right.
and came back, so it worked perfectly.
All right.
How's it going,
Excellent. Yeah.
brother?
Pick up stuff. Well, you're the man of the hour. Look at that, everybody. Look at that.
It's,
This is bigger than my head. I have a care package from the one and only
I
Carlos.
hope
Thank
you
you, buddy.
enjoy it. I hope you enjoy it. My
Well,
pleasure, brother.
now we're gonna open it all together.
Let's
We
do
have
it.
all of it. All
Let's do
right.
it.
Well, now the chat is even harder to follow.
Oh,
Smaller.
yeah. When you're doing stuff, you just gotta leave it. I'll say, what's going on, Jackie?
Oh, wow. Okay. Immediately, let me show for everybody. Surprise with the opening. Look at that.
Yeah,
A
that's a good scoop.
custom scoop.
Shave on
Wow.
Gents. That's my logo on there.
Yep, I can
Hendrix.
see it.
Peter from Hendrix made me a bunch of those.
Oh, that's sick. That's super cool. Peter from Hendrix, you said,
Yes,
right? Did I
Hendrix
hear correctly?
HCNC.
Wow.
He made me a bunch.
It's awesome. Look at that. Here is it, the logo.
Yeah,
Shave
you
on
did a great job.
Gents. Wow. Oh my, what is happening here? You didn't have to. You're so kind.
What?
Okay. This one is very. Oh, someone is ringing
Yeah,
at the door. Give me one
go.
second.
Yeah, go ahead. Hope everybody's having a great day. Who's in here? We got Jackie, Jacob, Asad. Hey, what's going on, Anthony? Hey, Ricky, Nikki, Chris Garcia, Dave. What's going on, guys? Marfel, what's going on, brother? Everybody give Marfel a follow. He's a new wet shaver. Hey, April. Hey, how's it going? Marcus and Sarah.
All right, I'm back. Good that I'm not doing this alone. I was gonna leave
Yeah.
everyone
Yeah.
hanging.
Paul, what's going on? Thanks, brother. Love my hat.
Oh my gosh, look at this. What's happening here? So many things.
Guys, get this hat.
Okay,
Awesome.
we have
Who?
tons
Yeah.
of blades.
Those are some of
Tons
my
of
favorites
blades.
in there.
Wow, that's so cool. A lot of blades that I haven't tried. That's
Good.
fantastic.
Good. They're all pretty good. There's a couple in there I haven't tried. I just had some extra packs, so I threw them in. But
Awesome.
Gillette Silver Blue, Perma Sharp.
I'm excited for the Rockwell blades.
Oh, there's none in there. I like you too much to send you those.
So let's see
Oh, okay.
what's here. The next
Yeah,
box.
sorry about the package. It's a little destroyed.
Nope,
That's
it's all good. I have my candy tool here.
yeah,
We'll
just
cut
rip it
through
open.
it. Oh wow, this is. Are you kidding me? A razor?
Yeah, it's the
Oh, wow.
Merkur. It's the
Look at
Merkur
that
slant.
plant.
Yeah,
Slant razor.
yeah,
Oh, wow, amazing. My first slant.
yeah.
Oh, you
It's a
didn't
beautiful
have
razor.
to.
No
Wow,
worries,
that's
brother.
already too much, and we
I
just started.
happy to share. Happy to share, my
Oh,
friend.
oh my gosh, you're so generous. I'm keeping this one for later. This will be
Okay.
probably the start of the show. Okay, here we have a bottle, super nicely packed. Everything is excellent
Oh
in
yeah,
terms of packing.
I don't ever want it to leak, so I make sure I tape it and everything.
Yeah, everything is good. Sorry to everybody in the chat. I see Hanzo joining.
Hanzo,
More people joining.
Danilo.
I'm down to business opening the super generous package from Carlos. Wow.
Ooh, tobacco and leather. That's good stuff there, Marcus.
And Carlos is way better at following the chat. He's a pro.
Well,
I'm a
no,
noob.
I mean, you're doing something. I'm doing nothing. I got nothing to do but wait for you to finish stuff.
And thanks for joining
Oh no,
for
my
the live.
pleasure, man.
All right, we have aftershave by 345.
Yeah, the soap's in there too.
Yeah, yeah.
Pull out the
Oh
soap
yeah,
first.
here they are. That's so well packed. All right. That's it. The
Yep.
matching soap.
Trench lines. Yep.
Trench
I know
lines.
you don't have 345, so I grabbed a
No.
couple of stuff you didn't have.
Oh,
Nice.
that's good stuff.
Yeah, you love it.
That's really
That's
like,
Lacoste White. That's a dupe of Lacoste White.
yeah, I was gonna say super fancy perfume. Wow.
Yeah,
Wow.
they have good stuff.
Amazing.
You're gonna love his lather. His base is actually really good too.
Excellent. Yeah, I didn't even look to this brand at all, 345
Good
soaps. It's
stuff.
completely new.
Good
Yeah,
stuff.
there is more here. Oh, so generous. Another one
Yeah,
and another soap.
yeah. That is
Whoa! Bricktown Grooming. All right,
yes,
my first
Barbary
Bricktown.
Pirates. I think it's which one? Barbary Pirates?
Yes, Barbary Pirates.
That's
Yeah,
a beautiful leather scent. Give that one a sniff.
let's go. Is this the matching splash
Of
here?
course, yes, of course.
Yeah, wow.
You gotta have matching. You gotta go matchy matchy.
Matchy matchy is the way. Oh, I appreciate it, buddy. That's amazing. Oh,
Yeah, it's nice.
that's nice, and it's kind of like it's not hitting you in your
No.
face, but it's heavy. You know, it's present. It's here.
Yes.
Oh, that's super cool. Oh,
Nice. So I
yeah.
figure so
That's
345. I mean, Bricktown Grooming. The rate so Razor Emporium makes
uh-huh.
the soap for him.
All
Yeah.
right.
Okay, that's Phil from Bricktown, but he makes the splash,
Uh-huh.
and they make the soap. So it's actually a very good
That's
base
super
also.
cool.
Lather's
Let
really
me
easy
just
to
open
make.
the splash as well.
There's also should be a sticker in there.
Yeah.
One of my stickers I put in there.
Yep, here it is. Oh, and a note. Oh, oh, super kind, buddy. You know, you're amazing.
You're
So
amazing, dude.
ever since I joined the wet shaving kind of like online community and started to know, you know, the right people to follow, all
Yeah.
the streams. To everybody that are watching, you already know that Carlos is amazing, but he's like my go-to person. I have a silly question. Hey, how to do this? How to lather up properly? Why do you use the spray bottle? And all that good stuff. And Carlos is always so kind to spend time and answer all my silly questions
Happy to do
to
it, man.
educate me.
I'm
So
happy
yeah.
to help, man. Especially you're pretty awesome yourself.
I appreciate it. I appreciate it. Yeah. Now, oh, I'm so excited for this one. Yes, I can see a little bit, and you can now see as well more.
Just a little bit.
Oh dear, you're so generous. Hey, Nikki Shaves. Sorry, I'm not paying
Oh.
attention to the chat at all. One more time. Hey, Mike. Good to see you.
Hey, what's going on, Mike?
So, to anyone that joins, Carlos sent me a nice package, super generous, full with good
Thanks,
stuff.
April.
2 soap sets, a lot of blades, a razor, my first lance. This will go in one of my next videos. So many things to shoot videos for.
That's right. More stuff
Never
for you to
ends.
make more content. There's Phil right now from Bricktown. He just joined.
Yeah. Oh, hey. Awesome. Right on time. I was just showing what Carlos sent me. This smells
Yes, sir.
amazing.
Yeah.
Very unique. Very distinct, amazing smell. Wow. Looking forward to a shave for this. Oh, okay, I'll speak later because I can go for a minute, for like 5-10 minutes tipping salts.
Sure. Send me your address, Mike. I'll send you something.
What is that?
No, Mike says, wait, Carlos is Carlos sending me something? Damn right. Sure I will.
Oh wow. I'm
There you go.
blown away.
It's beautiful.
Look at that. I do not deserve this. Look at
Yes,
this.
don't say that.
Oh, you're too generous.
That's your first G5C.
Yes. Oh wow.
Yeah,
That's wow.
it's gonna be one of your favorite knots for
That's
sure.
sick. Wow. Yeah, fun story.
It's fantastic.
We were talking with Carlos. He said, "Oh, do you have G5C note?" And I was like, "No, I don't." Like, and he was telling me, "Don't buy it." And I'm like, "Oh, why? Is it bad?" And he said, "No, it's the best."
It's one of the best. It's what, yeah, it is. I have several of them,
Oh,
so I love the
that's
G5C.
amazing. One more time for everybody. Another amazing brush by
Yeah,
a.k.a. The handle here, really good. Ah, I love the detail.
yeah,
The
it's
wood
beautiful.
grain.
That's one of Gardner's first wood ones.
Wow,
Yeah,
fantastic. And I like how tall the brush is.
yeah, it's awesome.
It's
Nice,
awesome.
nice
I have
barber
no
length.
words, my friend. I have no
No,
words.
no, none required. Just thank you. That's all. That's all it is. More than enough, my friend.
Huge thank you. And yeah, this will be really
It's a really
soon
nice
in a video as
shaver.
well.
You'll enjoy that. It's a really nice shaver.
This is the Mercure one, right?
Yes,
The
you
slant.
unscrew it on the bottom.
Yeah,
It's a two
yeah.
piece. Okay.
Awesome.
Now,
Yeah.
if you pull the bottom part out, it actually comes out. If you want to give it a good cleaning after you're done with it, no, just pull,
Uh-huh.
just pull.
Yeah. Okay. I see. Yeah.
Okay, and then you just
Excellent.
push the pin a little bit. It doesn't screw in. You just push the little
Yeah.
collet around it. Boom, and it
Yeah.
goes right back in.
Excellent. Super cool.
Yeah, you'll have fun with that. It's nice. It's nice. Hey, what's going on, Joe? Hold on. I gotta say
Yeah.
hi, Joe. I learned how to sign his name because he's deaf. Yeah.
Oh, I didn't
So
know.
this is how you do spell Joe. J-O and then E.
Uh-huh. J.
You hook. You got a hook like this.
Uh-huh.
You
J.
got a
Okay.
hook like that.
Yeah.
So then you go O
O.
and
Uh-huh.
then E.
E. All
Yep.
right.
There you go.
Learn
Yeah.
something very useful.
Yeah. Yeah. So every time
Great to
Joe comes in,
have you, Joe.
I
Yeah.
make sure to
Yeah.
say that.
Well,
He's
fantastic.
waving. Deaf skull. That's his deaf skull.
Amazing. Amazing. Hey, Hags.
Hey, Demetrios, what's going on? Hey, Dewey.
Hey, Dewey. Nice to see you.
Yeah.
Oh, everybody are joining. Awesome. Well, to whoever is joining, Carlos is just amazing. He just blew me away.
Oh, no worries.
Generous, big gift
My
box.
pleasure.
One more time to whoever joined.
That's beautiful.
This amazing sets. They smell fantastic. The splashes, I have a ritual. I open them on YouTube. First time, first reaction.
Nice.
Genuine reaction. That's my
Nice.
thing. It's very hard to resist to open
Oh,
splashes,
I
but
believe it.
I
Yeah, I
keep it
know.
for a
Trust
genuine
me.
reaction.
I believe it, dude. I believe it. I mean, what I do every time I get anything, I smell the soap and then I put the splash on the back of my hand, right by
Yeah,
my thumb, and then I
yeah,
go through the day smelling it.
yeah, and you just do
Yeah,
this.
yeah.
Yeah,
People
yeah,
think
yeah.
you're
It's
crazy
awesome.
if you're out in public. People think you're nuts. Either that or you're FBI and you're talking into the mic.
Absolutely. Yeah.
Yeah.
Hello,
Yeah,
agents. Do
calling
you
in,
copy?
move, now, now. Yeah, so,
Awesome.
thanks,
Wow.
thanks a lot, Mike. I
Amazing.
appreciate it.
Yeah, Carlos is the best. Carlos is the best. Whoever doesn't follow Carlos, which I don't think that anyone that follows me doesn't follow Carlos.
I
I
wouldn't go
don't
that
think that
far.
this is possible. But if by any chance you don't follow Carlos, check his Instagram. Follow him. He's part of the Canadian
Yeah,
Mafia show, the Shave,
Migos.
uh, Shave Migos. Yes, the you have one with your sister. What was the
The
name?
sibling sense.
The Sibling Sense, that's my favorite. If you haven't watched this one, that's
Yeah,
a killer.
yeah,
That's
it's
just a
fun.
killer.
It's really.
It's so fun.
There's
I
no
was able to tune in.
there's no guaranteed time with that one. Oh,
That's
you're definitely
okay.
get a big
It's
hug,
all
dude.
about surprise.
Yeah.
So I think that you had an Instagram for that, right?
Yes.
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 So whoever doesn't follow this one should hop in there and check it
Yeah.
out.
It's
And
fun.
you're also doing the Saturday shaves at the Razor Company,
Yes.
right? The lives.
Man, I'm nonstop. Jeez.
Yeah, this is the shaving guru on Instagram.
I wouldn't go that far, but thank you so much.
Yeah,
Carlos
yeah.
and
Carlos is amazing. Yeah.
Nikki says Carlos is a silent partner with all companies in wet shaving. He's been enabling all of us with that. This is Nikki's theory. It's my job to enable. I'm more than happy to spread the word of awesomeness.
Yeah, that's amazing. And one more thing to add to that, whatever Carlos recommends, it's so far for me. I know your mileage may vary. Everybody, we like different things, but whatever he recommended, it's hitting the mark.
That's awesome.
For
I'm so
me.
happy.
So yeah, if it's a hardware or software, so far it's always a win for me. So
I can't wait to meet you, Mike. It's going to be awesome. I can't wait to meet Michael from Long Island Shaving. Great
you're
guy.
all going to the
He's
meetup, right?
Not coming, sadly, but there will be more meetups in the future, and I may just go to the next A&E one. Who knows?
Yeah, awesome.
It's not that far.
Yeah, awesome.
Hi, I'm Jacob. I've been enabling you since I got in here. Actually, he enables me too, Jacob Heron. We enable each other.
Yeah, that's fantastic.
Well,
yeah,
I'm happy you enjoy it.
The community is awesome, and it's awesome because of people like Carlos, by the way. Yeah, he's
Thanks,
a good
brother.
example. Yeah.
I appreciate it so much.
Yeah.
And you know what? When newer people come in, such awesome like yourself, it just makes it even more awesome.
Oh, I appreciate it as well.
Dude,
the kindness.
And honestly, guys, go check out his YouTube. Go check out his YouTube. His YouTube is fantastic, informative. I mean, it's great. Really
Trying my best. I'm all a newbie, but sometimes the newbies they share information that it's useful for other newbies.
Yeah, there's one in May. I didn't know it was that close. Maybe, I don't know. Maybe I will take a bus trip down there. Who knows? It's not far in New York.
Oh, one more meetup? I think that I saw a glimpse of that message. Is it?
Yeah, Annie, he says he's done a live or two. Yeah, I've done a couple.
Awesome.
Yeah, it's a great channel. So is yours, Mike, another great YouTuber. Check out Mike, Long Island Shaving.
Yeah, check out Mike. He's another great YouTuber. I was watching his videos where I discovered it after I placed an order for my very first razor, and I was catching up on his videos. Super cool content.
Yeah, some of them I watch about a bunch of your guys' stuff. When I do watch, I watch it on the TV, but it doesn't let me comment. I hate that.
Oh, when you watch on the TV directly,
it doesn't let me comment. But hey, Lindsay, what's going on, brother? So it's kind of annoying. I wish there was a way I could at least comment, but I always try and go back and thumbs up, and
it's all good. We appreciate the support. Even watching already helps.
Yeah, for sure. The views are there. Dude, I'm so happy. I'm so happy you enjoy everything, though, man.
Oh yeah, it's awesome. Yeah, I just cannot express how grateful I am. Yeah, and the sticker is super cool. Let's show it. I don't think that I did.
Yeah.
Shave on Gents, all right, shave on. Bring up your shaving game.
That was when you guys all did that Shave on Gents thing. That had me laughing. That made my day.
Yeah.
That made
when I saw the videos, I was like, "What is this? Is it like some special day?
No,
is it the birthday of Carlos?"
It's just Stacks. Like I'll call Stacks, and he'll answer the phone. He'll go, "Shave on Gents."
That's awesome.
He kills me, and so he started it, and he messaged a bunch of people to do it to do on the stories for me.
Yeah.
It's funny.
Yeah.
Mike's was great too. Mike's went from the T-shirt. Can I get a Shave on Gents? It was all. Dude, that's one of my favorite reels. It was it was hard to do the reel because I was laughing so hard because it was great. You guys are all awesome. I appreciate it.
So cool. Yeah. That
you
was
had
fun.
The Donald Duck one, you're like, Shave on? I was like,
yeah.
This guy's awesome.
Yeah. My wife was asking me, because we were out for a walk, and my wife was asking me, "What are you doing in the garden?" And I was like, "Oh, it's nothing. Something for my friend."
That's it. That's awesome. No, it was good. That was funny. It was a funny thing. You guys killed me with that.
Yeah.
It was good.
Well, one more time, thank you, buddy. I really appreciate it. I have something that it's in work for you.
Awesome.
You know, the logistical part is complicated. I already get it.
Yes.
But you're gonna show it to the rest. I think it's a fun collectible.
It's definitely. No, I'm excited. I'm excited for that for sure. I appreciate
all right.
it.
Thanks for joining for the live, and thanks for everybody who were able to join and to watch. And yeah, one more time, huge thanks. And yeah, that care package, the gifts, amazing.
My pleasure, dude. I can't wait to see you use them.
Yeah, hopefully soon I'll be able to join one of the meetups.
Awesome.
All right, buddy. All right. Take care. Thanks, everybody. See you in another one. Enjoy your days. Bye.